Your Tim's, jewels, and your gym shoes. Always with your crew, so the drama ensues. You win, you lose, nothing to improve. You're on a pedestal, cool with no rule. I know that you want it, but you're scared. I know you be checking for the girl. You don't understand.
Hey y'all, it's Gigi Perfectface and I'm back with another wig review. So today I'm going to be talking about the new Barelace collection. Now I have been wearing this wig for a few days actually. I didn't install this on camera. I just wanted to come and review the wig. And I also didn't really use glue. I used even lace spray for this wig. And this is what she looks like on the stock card. And excuse the lighting. I know the lighting could be better than this. I'm not really feeling it, but I'm gonna have to get this review out before this wig comes off my head. The lace on this wig is good. It is starting to get a little dirty, and y'all know it's starting to like kind of get that line of demarcation because I did say I was wearing this wig for a few days. And also I think the little colors that they're doing are cute, like the little highlight colors. Now this wig, I feel like it's silky at the top, but it becomes like more of a yucky at the bottom of it. I don't know what it is about the wig. I don't know why this wig feels like silkier at the top, and then the ends I feel like it's a little bit more yucky, or even when and this is what the ends looking like after a few days of wearing it. I have been wrapping it up, and I did, you know, I have been like flat ironing the wig and stuff. Highlight buttery blonde. It's just like a little small pop of color. You honestly will probably forget that it's there, so I can see why they would call it secret. That's what they call it, secret highlight buttery blonde. It's supposed to be better lace than their transparent lace and their HD lace. It would have definitely been melted better if I would have done some glue with this install, but y'all can kind of see like it's starting to lift a little bit because this is a glueless install. I just decided to do a middle part with this wig. This is what the edges are looking like on the side. It's looking a little worn because I have been wearing it. So yeah, I just wanted to wear a wig and do a review my wigs after they've been worn. And it also says that the lace grid is supposed to be thinner than usual. It's supposed to be a 13x6. Oh, and this wig is definitely pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck it a little bit more to my own liking, but this wig really does not have to be plucked, so this is definitely a pre-plucked wig. If you just want something really quick and you don't want to have to do a lot of work with your wigs, this is definitely a wig I would recommend you, and you don't have to do a lot of work. So yeah, you're probably gonna need like some makeup to melt it in a little bit more if it doesn't match your skin tone. It is a breathable wig. I do not recall getting hot with this wig at all. When I get this wig again, I do feel like the density of this wig could be a little bit better. I don't know, it's like the lowest of the low. I guess you could say it's like a 130 density. I do feel like the density, I was going to install like some little tracks in it, so I might go back and do that. So far she's holding up okay. I'm about to get up and show you guys what the wig looks like. With me standing up. So yeah, let's get into it. So y'all, this is what the wig looks like with me standing up. You can see the little highlights making its appearance, and this is what the ends are looking like. I feel like I had ends look worse than this, so I'm not going to complain too much. The density would be like around a 130, a low density wig. This would be something like really convenient if you don't want to do a lot of work with your wigs. So this is what the hair looks like all put together to the front, and now I'm about to show you guys what the hair looks like all to the back. This wig definitely, install definitely would have been better if I would have used glue, but since I decided laid as it could be because I have been wearing it for a few days as well. So yeah, I will give this wig a C. I do like how the hair is laying. I do like the lace on it. This install definitely was looking better a few days ago, but I just wanted to bring you guys a review so I can tell you guys how it was cooperating. As far as shedding and stuff like that, I really don't receive much shedding with this wig. Of course I did when I brushed it, but I didn't really receive any shedding when I was just like not doing nothing to it and stuff like that. So